This tutorial will show you how to get started with Twitter if you've never used it before. First of all, go to twitter.com. That's where we are right now. And I'm signed out of my account so that I can show you what you need to do. The button to sign up is right here at the top right. So I'm going to click that. And then you just go through and you put in your name, email address. Mine populated it for me because I already have an account. And then you click sign up. Just follow the steps to create your account. Twitter will try to get you to follow a bunch of different famous people and actors and actresses and so on and so forth. You can skip that. You don't have to follow anybody if you don't want to. And I'm not going to run you through the steps for creating an account because I already have one and it doesn't work. For me, it messes things up. So I'm going to log in instead and show you what you get once you've created your account. All right, so once you have created your account, you will see tweets from everyone that you follow. So if you don't follow anyone, you won't see anything. This is where you can personalize your account, your profile. You can add a photo or a background image. I tend to have an avatar of a historical figure. Right now it's Susan Shelby McGoffin. As soon as I finish this, I'm going to change it and ask people if they can guess who I am. So that will be coming soon. For the purposes of what we need to do for class, you're going to want to go to the search bar up here and type our course hashtag. So that's #HIST466, no spaces. And I'm going to search for that. This is what we get. There aren't a lot of tweets here yet because we haven't started working. You always want to come over here and click latest. The top tweets, I don't know how it decides what makes a tweet a top tweet, but it shows those first. If you click latest, though, it'll just show whatever has been posted most recently, and you can see them all in order, so everything that everyone's been posting. I've shared a couple of stories over the summer using the class hashtag, stuff that you may or may not be interested in as you scroll down. But once we start the class, actually let me scroll down a little bit to show you past semester's work. So once you start the class, you'll see everyone else's tweets here, and you can then respond to them using the reply button. So remember, you're reading tweets, you need to post 10 of your own and at least 5 responses to others or to myself. And then you just type your tweet. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to respond to Angel right now. She'll be like, what's going on? What I will show you, though, is how to post your original tweets. So I'm going to just scroll back up here. You hit the tweet button. And if you're in the course hashtag search, like we are already, it will already populate the hashtag for you. You don't have to type it. So then you just do type tweet. And if you are tweeting and you're not in the course hashtag search, this won't be here. So what you'll do is you just type it. HIST466. Make sure there are no spaces. Make sure there's a space before and after, but not in the middle of the hashtag. And as you notice, it turned blue. It's going to be a link, and you click tweet. If you're using twitter.com, as we are right now, or even the Twitter app and most mobile devices, it doesn't update in real time. So you have to wait just a minute or two, and then you will see the tweet appear here. So we'll give it just a second to see that. I'm going to open a new tab in my browser up here just to show you something else that I like. It's called TweetDeck. So if you do tweetdeck.twitter.com, you just log in using the same credentials that you use for your Twitter account. This is just a different way of seeing and interacting with Twitter. And it updates in real time, as you're noticing here. So this is home. This is the people I follow. I'm going to scroll to the side, and I've created columns for each of the classes that I teach. So you can see my New Mexico history classes. This is a Latin American history class. And then right here, here's our class. So rather than having to type in the search box. This is all just here for me when I get here, and I can just scroll around and see how all my different classes are doing and so on. So that's just something to be aware of if you want to try to use it. Also, you'll notice there's the tweet that I just posted. If we go back over to Twitter, it also posted here. There's one new result. Click on that, and then you see it. So hopefully that's just sort of the basics of using Twitter. That's really all you need to do for class. You can get as creative or be as not creative with it as you want, and that will be just fine. But it will be a way for us to have conversations about the reading. We can start here, just post initial ideas, and then that will build up to our discussions and then our blog posts each week. Please do ask questions whenever you have them about Twitter, about anything else, and I look forward to seeing you here online.